everyone, welcome to our channel Organized by Darci, where we take the very simple and inexpensive and make it look so elegant. So today I'm participating in part 2 of the 5-week series on cleaning and organizing, or cleaning and tidying our home. This is a collaboration with several other YouTubers hosted by Kimberly Davis. Thank you so much, Kimberly, for hosting this collab. And I'll ask everyone to go over to her channel, see the playlist that she has, subscribe to the channels that you like, of course, after you watch the various videos. And I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel as well. That is, if you have not already done so. And if you have, I want to say a special thanks to you. I am so appreciative. Now, let's get started with cleaning and tidying up this area of our home. Last Tuesday, I cleaned and organized the foyer, and today I'm doing our family room. So I've already wiped the floor and I've vacuumed the rug as well. So what I'm going to do right now is to clean off the coffee table here, kind of organize the books on here a little bit better. And of course, I'm going to be organizing some of the books in a basket that I'm going to put over here, and these are books that my grandkids are reading. So I'll just do a little bit of cleanup in this little area here as well and get everything all nice and neat. So give me a couple minutes to do that, and then we'll get back to the next step, which of course will be to clean off the fireplace here as well, and to arrange some of these plants a little bit nicer on the fireplace. This is what the family room looks like right now. Everything is back in its place. Everything is clean and organized, and we're ready for the day. So again, I hope you like this video. I hope you'll take the time, of course, to go over to Kimberly's channel. Again, see the playlist, subscribe to the channels that you like, and of course, would love for you to subscribe to my channel as well. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next Tuesday in our next video. I think we're doing next Tuesday our kitchen, so that's something to look forward to. Again, take care, and we'll see you next Tuesday. Goodbye, and of course, good luck.